When I go out to compete, I want to feel strong, I want to feel confident, I want to feel ready. And Kala makes me feel confident, like I can take on the world.
You say I'll never leave.
I got injured in 2023, and I was trying to figure out a way to recover faster. Once I started using this, I absolutely felt a new sense of strength, mobility, and I instantly got hooked. I found Kala and I have not looked back. You want to go into competition not thinking about anything else. You want to know that you've done everything that you can so that the moment is what you want it to be. Kala helps me feel ready for the next day. It makes me feel ready for anything. When I'm just about to compete, the nerves sometimes can be overpowering. But when you can find your breath and you can find that stillness and just give yourself a moment, the confidence comes back.
Spectacular dancers, and this is a spectacular moment.